Last year, the price of a pen was $9.98. This year, the price of a pen increased by 15%. During the Christmas sale, the price of the pen was reduced by 20% from this year's price. What is the price of the pen during the Christmas sale? So we have a few increases and decrease, or a few change of percentages here. So we just want to keep in track and go in chronological order. So I'll start with last year. The price of the pen was $9.98. This year, the pen increased by 15%. So one way we can do this is to multiply this times 15%, and then we want to add this back to the original amount, and this will give you $11.477. We'll worry about rounding later. Then it says that during a Christmas sale, the price of the pen was reduced by 20%. So we'll say Christmas sale. The original price is $11 and roughly 48 cents. And now we're decreasing this amount by 20%. So this will be the original amount, subtract 20% of that original amount, and this gives you $9.1816. So at this point we can round our answer to $9.08. Now one thing I want to mention, which I think is pretty it's helpful because it increases your efficiency with these types of questions. Instead of having to do these additions and subtractions, let's rewrite this year's and the Christmas sale price. Instead of taking 15% of the original number and then having to re-add it to the original amount, let's do that in one clean step. If we multiply $9.98 and multiply times 115% of the price, that accounts for the original plus 15%, right? And you'll find if you type that into your calculator, we get exactly the same thing. This is when we increase the price, and so obviously it's going to be more than 100% of the original price. Now for a decrease in price, in this case a 20% decrease, we want to think about how much of the original 100% is actually being paid for. If we're at a discount of 20%, it's kind of the same thing as saying we're only paying 80% of the original cost. Again, if you do 11.477 times 0.80, you'll get 9.1816, which is again the same answer. So again, try practicing this. You want to be multiplying times in a way kind of the opposite percentage, or I just mean 100 minus whatever percent if you're decreasing, 100 plus the percent as a decimal if you're increasing.